Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan here. Today's date is April 8th, 2022, and today I just wanted to discuss some of the social engineering scams that I'm seeing out there with customers that are coming in and telling me how they've been attacked via cybersecurity issues. If to explain, social engineering is sort of the aspect of trickery in a way where someone calls you and pretends they're from Google or your bank or whatever the case may be. And there's a whole engineering aspect behind that as far as they change the phone number that they're calling you on to make it look like it's from a Toronto address or a Calgary address or a 1-800 number, so it looks like they're calling from TD or Google. They put office sounds in the background, that type of thing. And then they have sort of an engineering aspect as far as a psychological aspect around it. They understand your motivations and how to properly extract funds from you. So that's sort of the engineering portion of it. But specifically what we're seeing out there and leaves sort of the older demographics vulnerable to this is the two-step verification. Two-step verification is really good to have. It's important to have as long as you understand what it is. Two-step verification is when you sign on to something, it sends you a verification code to your phone number or a number that you have to that phone number in order for you to verify it. Now, what these scammers are doing is they have found your email address somewhere, and they go and put your email address in there, and then specifically for Gmail, they then follow the forgot my password step, which sends the verification code to your phone number. So really what they need to know is your email address and your phone number in which they have already called you on, so they know that, and it's not difficult to find people's email addresses either. So what they will do is they'll send that code. They'll do a whole spiel, sort of understand make you understand that they're with Google. They'll try and muddy the waters a bit as far as you have to do this step, that step, and then at that point they build your trust a bit, and then they go on, do the forgot your password, and they send you the verification code. Once that verification code is being sent to you, they then ask you for that code, and then they put that code in, and then they have access to your account. And it seems to be working quite a bit due to people not understanding what exactly two-step verification is and how it works. Two-step verification, the code is for you and your eyes only. It's almost in a way like a biometric, being your fingerprint or your iris scan or your face ID, that type of thing. So it's not for anyone else. It's not for you to give out, and I think that's imperative for people to know. But two-step verification is good. It's one of the better things that we have right now, until such a time that we do get biometrics working at a better rate. FIDO keys are good as well. FIDO keys are good for computers, but if you lose your FIDO key, then you're up a creek. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to make sure that everyone's kind of being aware of that. If you have a grandma or an older parent out there, feel free to send them this video and just kind of let them know what scams are out there, because they're really vulnerable to it. I live in Nanaimo, BC, where the demographic is pretty old. So there's 55 plus is 50% of the population here. So we're seeing those scams quite a bit out there right now, as well as, well, we're seeing crypto scams as well. However, there's a larger social engineering part of that, so it's harder to explain, but hopefully I'll do a video on that later when I completely understand exactly how that's taking place. Anyways, if you like this video, subscribe, send it to someone, whatever. Thanks a lot.